There, Jade. That long thing like that, yeah.
Tight. Is this jammies with this?
Pretty full.
Looks like it.
Save these, you guys, because it's time to fly kites. It's a kite, Lo. Save it. We'll go fly a
Yeah,
kite.
they're cute.
Oh, I seen people flying kites yesterday. I was like, oh, I want a kite.
Oh,
You see it,
we
Lola?
can
Freak
fly
it,
our
Daddy.
kite
Look,
today.
I get a fly a
That's
kite.
cute.
What is
Yeah.
that, Jordan?
Huh?
Is that a shirt or jammies?
That's
a shirt.
cute.
That one's a shirt.
That's cute.
Or this one. So cute.
Where's yours
Yeah.
at,
Ooh,
Cody?
that's pretty.
What's yours, Cody?
Ooh, I got
That's
mine.
awesome, huh?
Buddy.
What?
It's like those little things you blow.
What kind is
Dad.
yours?
So I see yours. Hold on. Go look at your stuff.
No, but Dada.
Mine's SpongeBob.
Yours is funny.
These have the same blue, and I don't. When they got something,
That's
like
totally
this,
you.
Yeah, go look at your stuff.
Here's Mr. Bunny.
Oh, look at your little Eeyore.
We forgot.
Look at that, Jay.
Oh, that's so cute.
Got birdie cages.
Sweet flip flops. They're like yours.
What kind you get?
Did you already look in your basket,
Place
Lo?
in here.
The basket,
I wish she left me some. I can't find mine.
When we're done looking at our stuff, do we have to find Easter egg stuff?
Yep.
Ooh!
Oh, yeah, please
It's
don't leave
at the
eggs
top
out.
and it says something. Oh, I found two!
Grab the thing. Here. Here's this.
Now all the other bikes go in the dumpster when it comes?
No.
Well,
I love
Cody
my
don't.
baby.
Cody don't have her bike.
That green one anymore?
That one got
Stolen. Remember?
stolen, remember, and painted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then got it back.
Yeah,
But it
that's
don't
just like
have
really
chain
bad.
or anything.
Yeah.
And mine will never go in the garbage.
No, yours won't. But it's good for when friends come
When
over.
friends come over.
Put them in here.
Lola's is cute.
Mhm.
Who is it on there?
Lola, put it in here.
No.
Somebody
What
girl?
is here?
Groovy girls.
Where's?
Oh.
I'd rather have this bike than that bike.
Look around. Look everywhere.
That's my favorite.
Funny.
You too, Jay. Yeah.
I need a stove. Saki.
Excuse me. Is that for Amanda?
That hurt.
Oh, cute.
Oh, whoa. Oh, you found one?
So tired. Oh. Oh, funny. Grr. Yeah.
Lola, come here. Go.
Go looking, baby.
Go.
Look all over.
Yay! Oh, what I found!
Don't hurt yourself.
My goodness, Chloe. Did you save some for anybody else?
Rehide him, Cody.
No.
Hide him.
I'm kidding. He's in there.
Jay, move. Oh, move.